The market, this was our analysis last week, so the market didn't get our point of interest again, right? And
Yes.
looking at it now, I'm seeing another trend line coming down from here.
Yes.
Let's say from here. Another trend line that is forming from here, right? Because the market has been dropping. The market has been dropping, right? So we are still looking for a breakout, a total breakout from this key zone, a total breakout from this key zone before we start looking at a buying opportunity. But I'm still expecting that this market is still going to drop to our POI. But notwithstanding, we are still going to do a fresh analysis to see how the market, the movement of the market has been going, right? So that is it. But if actually you followed my analysis, the one I told you guys on 1 hour, you'll still catch an entry, 200 pips. Because on Thursday, I think Thursday, the market came here and I rided it from here to this place up to how many pips? Up to 400 pips. So why did I took this trade? Because I know that there will be a retracement, a bit retracement up to here, up to this level. Once the market gets here, there will be a massive retracement, right? Because if you look at my charts, my weekly, this is where I keep my weekly chart, where I take my weekly trade. If you look at it, I already have where this arrow, I said, if the market can come here, I'll buy for a short period of time to this level and close. The same thing that comes here, if the market should come here, my arrow is there. This is the analysis I've done on a weekly. So when the market comes there, I'm buying, but it's going to be mostly a short buy, catching 300 pips, 400 pips, then I'm out, right? So that was the reason why I bought from that level, and that was the support level. That's the support level. So if you are following the market, if you are following the structure, the market structure, you'll be seeing what to sell, to buy. You'll be seeing an opportunity if you are following the market structure. But US30, if you are not observant enough, or check when the market is coming to your entry to a particular support level for you to buy, you'll miss out. This is where it came and started rejecting. Remember, this is 4 hours. This is 4 hours. And immediately when I saw the engulfing candle, I felt that, okay, the market is going to give us a little retracement. And that is where I marked this trend line, this downtrend line. That if the market should touch it, because the market has been forming a trend line downwards, if you can see. Touch here, go back. So immediately it got here, I saw a key zone, I saw a trend line, I closed. I closed at 50, I put my TP as 52,000. That's where I put my TP. Though it exceeded it, but I put my TP at 52,000. So if you don't know how US30, how is moving, the movement, you might be panicking. Or if you understand the movement, you can be catching your 200 pips, 300 pips. Though most times, can you guys hear me?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Mm.
Yeah.
So most times you try to, like, if the market has come to a particular level, you can decide, okay, let me risk, depending on your account, you risk 0.5 of your capital. 0.5 of your capital. If you can get 0.5 of your capital to catch 200 pips, is okay. Like this trade now gave me up to 400 pips. Up to 400 pips. This one, right? So once you see this kind of trade, once you see that the market has gotten to a particular level at a support level, using the
Yeah.
the higher time frame, not the lower time frame. If you see it at the higher time frame, you can take the trade. When it comes to another level, key level, or psychological level, you can close. Is that understood? Do you have any question?
Uh, yes, sir. It's understood. It's just that you taught us last week. I saw it on the first day because I saw liquidity taken, but I only saw it afterwards. So then since then I've been tracking that okay, when we see liquidity taken, then we need to move. But if anything, I only would have got day one. It wasn't clear to me the other days, so I think I still need to go back and practice. But yeah, I need to I still
Okay.
need to go back and practice to be
So
sure. Yeah.
go and rewatch the video that I did last week on my channel.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Yeah,
Okay,
it
sir.
will
Well,
it will help you to refreshing your memory. You'll still be catching the pips, 200 pips
okay, sir.
once you follow that procedure. But why I took this trade is because it's on 4 hours and there is key level there, key zone there. This is
Okay.
another key support. Yes, that's why I took this trade. I didn't use
Okay.
I didn't use the normal 1 hour. I didn't do the analysis
Liquid.
on
Okay.
1 hour whatsoever. You understand? When I immediately I saw
Okay. Okay.
it, I took it because it was on higher time frame, and I know that there
Key
must be a
level.
reversal. There must be a
Okay.
rejection. The market cannot move further from here. At least before the market can push out from this level, because we have had multiple rejections at that particular support level. So
Okay.
I know that the market is going to do at least 200 to 300 pips before it pull back again. So that is why I caught the opportunity at that level.
Okay, sir. Got it. Thank you.
You understand? So that is it. So now we are still on track, though. We are still on track. Well, what I'm looking at is this market, based on what I'm seeing, the market is still going to drop to a certain level, because looking at it from the from the daily, from the daily, it has gotten to this trend line, this major trend line. Minor, this is a minor, will I say minor trend line? This is a minor trend line. So I'm expecting that the market will still push a little bit back before it will take us up. Looking at it from this level, see what is happening. See what is happening. It's creating lower lows and lower high. until it break out of this trend line. Are you guys getting what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Until it break out of this trend line. This is daily. That's when we will start looking for a buying opportunity. But for now, if it gets here, if it gets here, if it gets to 51,400, 51,400 is a good place to buy. If it gets to 50,900 is a good place to buy also. So what basically what we are following is the market structure. We don't determine what is going to happen in the market, but we are looking at the market structure. I don't know if you understand. We are looking at the
Yes.
market structure. What the
Yes.
market is, how the market is reacting. Does that make sense?
Yes. Yes, it does. So now, if we're looking at the market structure next week, it should be sells. If it
If,
doesn't break out, it should be sells.
yes, if the market does not break out totally from this uh trend line, downwards trend line,
Yes.
and give us a very good engulfing candle retracement, something like this. I don't know if you understand.
Yes.
Something like this, we are not entering
Yep.
because
Yep.
this might be a fake out.
Yep.
It might be a fake out. So we have to see like two higher highs and higher lows, right? To determine that the
Yes.
market, okay, the market is about to the market is about to buy.
Yes, definitely. Definitely.
You understand?
Yes.
Yeah. So excuse me. Hello? So that's what uh that's what we should know and have in mind. Guys, hold on, please. Let me answer this call.
Okay.
Just 1 minute.
You know why Christians are broke? We Christians, there's a calling upon your thing to make money. So you have been running because you want to make money. You don't want to answer call and start suffering. All happening around you is because you are running from the call. You know there's a calling, but you are afraid. You don't want to suffer. So you say, let you try this, try this, try this. Now 38 years is of your life gone that you are supposed to put in that calling. And I'm seeing a woman that died. I'm seeing children that died. It's true, sir. What is true? They all died. They all died. Yes. This is calling on you, but you are worried, like, I don't want to suffer. I want, let me make money, let me make money. It's never too late. Yeah, you don't really have much time to fulfill the assignment anymore. Radio Biba, Obiba, Rade, Praga Nodi, Motora Pom Saru, Obiba, Obiba was so Rade, 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 How do you stay walking in the Spirit? The Bible says to walk in the Spirit. Can you push your tongue through your left cheek like this?
Hello, guys.
Now,
Hello, can you guys
maintaining
hear
that
me?
pressure of your tongue like this,
Hello, sir.
Hello?
out of
Please
your
mute
upper
yourself,
lip
Hello,
mute
into
sir. I
your
can
yourself.
hear you.
All right. Okay. So sorry for the interruption. I
No problem, sir.
Yeah. So as I was saying, this is what we can see before we can determine that okay, this market is about to buy, right? So as you see clearly here, even from the 1 hour,
Okay.
you see that the market came here and still pushed down. You see what the market did here from the 1 hour? It came here and refused to break this level, this key zone, and push down. So what you are expecting for the market to clear this zone, clear the trend line, give us a very good retracement. Then we can now, okay, say we are about to ride it upwards. But we're still gonna do our analysis. We're still gonna do our analysis, then have a clear picture of what is gonna happen this week. So do you have any question regarding this last week analysis? Though the market didn't get to our entry, so yeah, that is it.
No, sir. It can be a tricky, it's a very, very rewarding instrument, but it can be so tricky that,
Yes.
it can be so tricky that you just don't know last week
Yeah.
at some point, I was lost. I said, eh? Okay. So I was lost. So,
Yeah,
yeah.
what
Thank
happened?
you.
One thing with US30 is that sometimes it can be very, very tricky. That is why I told you guys that if you want to be trading US30 without panic, especially when it's not getting really to our entry, trade when it has gotten to a key zone, when you have seen
Yeah.
multiple rejections on a key zone.
Okay. Okay.
I don't know if you understand. Once you are trading from a key level, trust me, you can be catching 200 pips. This is what I do.
Okay.
Like for how many months? For the past 1 month, the market has not really gotten to our entry when we do our analysis, right? But it's not that I
Yeah.
don't trade. I trade because I know that when US30 gets to a very strong key zone that is going to react. And based on the fact that I know that the market is an uptrend, number one is you knowing the market trend. The market is an uptrend. So what you're expecting for the market to get a particular support level, then you buy for a short period of time. Do you
Yes,
understand?
sir.
If you say,
Yeah.
unless New York section using that particular strategy, that procedure that I told you guys, that one is only for New York section. But if you say on a normal, the market, whether SL session, London session, the market has come to a particular key level, you can enter, you can buy. When it comes to a particular key level at the resistant level, you can still sell for short period to catch 100 pips, 200 pips, you're out.
Okay.
Does that make sense? Because
Yes, sir. It does.
sometimes US30 will try to use your brain, will try to manipulate your psychology. It will try to trust me. This is what I've been training for getting to 2 years now. It will manipulate your psychology, but if you understand it, you are good to go. There is time to scalp on US30 and there is time to swing. It's not
Mm.
every time you can hold US30. For now, it has not gotten to where we want it to get to. So we cannot be swinging because the market will manipulate you. If you decide to swing, it can come back to your entry, even hit you out and still go up again to your direction. So that's one thing with US30.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's one thing with US30. So definitely we'll be doing it until the markets normalize and start getting to our entry. But if you
Okay.
still follow the 1 hour that I taught last week, you are still good to go. You can still be catching your 200 pips.
Okay. We'll
Yeah.
try again. I'll try again tomorrow. I'll
Mm,
try again tomorrow.
yeah,
Thank you.
that's the only thing you do. In as much as you are trading only US30.
Yes.
right? So let's do our analysis. We have 10 minutes. Let's do our analysis, then we'll we'll see what's going to happen. This is our high, and this is our low. This is our support level. So we'll rush into the weekly. Another multiple rejection I'm seeing here from the weekly. Let's just mark it out. Just mark it out. And we'll move to our daily. Daily. Our daily, nothing much. Okay, I see. Let's bring this trend line. This trend line from here. This is a minor trend line. That's a minor trend line. That's a minor trend line. Can you guys see my screen? Then
Yes.
we'll still take our entry. There is a zone here. There is a zone here. There is a zone here. And there is a psychological level here also. There is a zone and there is a psychological level at that place. 51,600. Right? So our Fibonacci, we take our Fibonacci from the low to the high, where the market is currently. Right? Where the market is currently. So now we have another rejection here. Another rejection here. So what we expect next week, the market should come to this level. This is what you are going to look out for. Market should come here at this trend line here. If you get here, we have already bagged 1,300 pips. Or if the market did not do this, what you are expecting is that the market should break out of this. We see a breakout from this zone and from this trend line. We see something like this. These are the two things we'll be looking out for. Is that understood? These are the two things we'll be looking out for.
Yes.
The market should come here, break this one, and get to 50% fib level. Then we'll ride it up to here. We'll ride it up to this level. So that is it. It's simple. Just follow the market structure. If you follow the market structure, we are good. I'm dropping it
Okay,
on the
sir.
group,
Thank you. Okay,
right?
thank you.
Yeah. If you follow the market structure, you're good. Can't I copy this?
Thank you, boss.
So do we have any question? Any question, any contribution whatsoever?
No questions from me. I just need to calm down and I'll follow the structure from the 4 hour.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You follow the structure from the 4 hours, you are good to go.
Okay. No
You
problem.
get?
Thank you, sir. Yeah.
All right. I'll drop it on the group. So I'll drop the analysis. Also go and do your analysis. Check out the highs and lows. Do your analysis and drop in the group.
Okay.
Uh,
No
you
problem,
have a
sir.
nice
Thank you,
day,
sir.
guys. You're welcome.
Okay.
You're welcome, guys. Bye bye. Bye, guys.
Bye bye. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you.